to my channel. Today I am going to teach you Social Science Life Part Life 2, which is our class 7 Social Science. We are doing chapter 5, which is Women Change the World. So here on the board I have written what we are going to learn in this video. So we will start from why women change the world. This is the first question in the video. So it is also good to have a question because this question can come in exam also. Why women change the world? Then second topic, story of Lakshmi Daphne. Then third, learning from changes. Then fourth, story of Rokia Sakhawat Hossain. Then fifth, schooling and education today. So let's begin with the first topic, why women change the world. So now I'm going to read the chapter once and then we'll try solving this question, why women change the world. I know it might be easy for you, but let's try it by understanding the book, what the book is trying to tell us, and then write it. So here, I'm using this book, as you know, this is the class 7 social science. Now we'll open the chapter 5, Women Change the World. Women Change the World. So here, the first page here, the introduction part, it's not really that important because it just tells us about the previous chapter, means let's just read it. In the previous chapter, we saw how women's work in house is not as work. Means so here in the previous chapter, what we saw how women are working at the home. So we listed here. Now during the second sentence, we also did how doing household works and taking care of family members is a full-time job, and there are no specific hours at which it begins or ends. So now this thing here is easy. I don't really need to explain you because just understanding this, like what does it say? We also read how household works and taking care of family members is full-time job. So here, taking care of family, you all know household work we do like washing clothes, making food, and taking care of kids and spending errands. So this, we can't say this is of specific hours. We can't just say I do the washing for 1 hour. This is not means doing the household or you're doing the work. It's not for hours. You can't say I do the household for only 5 hours. It is a full-time job. So women's right in the very old age, whereas women did not actually study, girls did not go to school, women only did household and farming work. So in those times, the women there, what they used to do the full time, they used to do household works, taking care of kids, or working at farm, or means the girls there, which were very little, they didn't go to school, but after coming from school, they would do their household works instead of focusing on the study work. They have to focus, that's also good, but mostly what they will do, they have household works, taking care of, they also do means the girls here also work, like they can do any job there, part-time job they do to earn money for a family. So here we will skip this page, as you know what the name of this whole page is, and if you want me to like this, I will explain this still. In this chapter, we will look at works outside the home and understand how some occasions are seen to be more situational for men than for women. Till here, okay? We will also learn about how women struggles for equality, getting an education was and still is. Now, and still is one way in which new work opportunities were created for women. This chapter will also bring trace the different types of effects made by the women's movement to challenge discrimination in more recent years. So till here, okay. Now we are going to the second page. What does means who does what work? Here you can see there are some drawing images of the following. There are 6 squares and you have to draw images. A farmer, a factory worker, a nurse, a scientist, a pilot and a teacher. So let me tell you that nowadays all men have all kinds of becoming pilots, nurses, even men can be nurses, nothing big. But you know, in the old age, not old, I wouldn't say old, before there were like kind of like schools, big schools. Right now we have small schools. Means we have big schools right now, but before there were small schools where women did not do any work. Means they did a lot of work, but men's only farm work, factory work, pilot. Right now we all can be nurses. If someone has to be nurse, if it's a man or a woman, either of them can be even a factory manager. We say right, factory manager teachers are only men's. It's not that. Factory manager can be also women. If I say like those before, women were supposed to only work as farmers or either nurses and teachers. Mostly nurses and teachers were the most commonest because men were farmers, and for men if you talk pilot and a factory worker. That's more common, but now we are all equal. See what image your class drew. Here it is written. See what image your class drew by filling in the table below. Add up the numbers of male and females image separating from each occasion. Here you can see a chart given where there is a written category, male image, female image. Here. So now what this paragraph is telling and what the chart is telling. Here now it is the paragraph is given. See what your friends, what your classmates have drawn in the 6 boxes. So for farmer, did they draw a woman or a man? For factory worker, men, women, did all the 6, men or women. So like this. Here in this category, here are teacher, farmer, factory worker, nurse, scientist, and pilot is given. So you have to do, if you're drawing here a farmer is a man or a woman, so you will write in image, in main image. If here, like this, here is the chart. Look at this chart carefully. It's on page number 50 of a social science book, chapter 5. In this, what do you see? Same chart, teacher, only 5 men and 25 females there are. Considered for boys, there were more females as a teacher, and farmers, among them males were more common. So there are 30% of farmers, and means not percent, not same percent, there are many. Alright, so now you understand what you have to do, but write how you have to write it same like this. Now here, turn this page and you will see this page. Here where there is an image, under this it is written 83.6% of working women in India are enrolled in agricultural work. So among 83.6%, how many percent should we say women, right, which are enrolled in the work of farming? Which number are they? 83.6%. So these many women are enrolled in agricultural work. Agricultural work is the farming work which they do, like we can say harvesting, cropping, and many more. Their work includes planting, weeding, harvesting, and threshing. Yet, when we think of farmer, we only think of a man. So now here what I say, that whenever the works of the agriculture persons, of the women's, men's, include planting, harvesting, weeding, and training. And training, or we don't do this, we should not. This is also the same, but let's forget that for now. So here, 83.6% women are doing that question. If you think, if somebody has given, now can you say are women means, we say right, that women's are, some girls in a class might say that men's are means in a farm, we see more men's than women's. Is it true? Or we see more women's than men's? Both are true because according to in my farm, if I would say, for my friends, what we see there are men more there. But here, this number is also not that little bit. So we can say they're both equal amounts. Now here, beside this, we are going to read this. So the chart which is given on page number 50, above that chart, there is some lines written. Roshni ma'am's class has 30 kids, has 30 children. She did the same exercise in her class, and here is the result. So the results is given in the chart below. Here, so what is explaining in these lines are, there's a teacher called Roshni ma'am. So her class has 30 students. We can say 30 students or children, what I say. 30 children in her class. So she gave the same exercise for all girls, boys, and the results which is given. There is a chart where there is written category male's image and female's image. So teacher, if you see the category of teacher and the male image, there are only 5 male images. And from female teachers category is 25, farmer 30 for males, and for females as a farmer is 0. Factory worker for males are 25, and for women there are only 5. Nurses, men's 0, and from women's means females 30. Then scientist 25 for males and only 5 for females. Then pilot, one who drives the airplane. For a male image, there are only 27, and for a female image, there are only 3. Now we'll turn the next page, and here, where there is written. So now, we are going to answer this question. As we read in the introduction page from 48 till 51. What we read, we are going to answer till not 40, 51. It is 50 only. So you have to answer this question. If you didn't understand, you can answer in your own words also. So here, why women change the world? Now this is the question, you have to answer it. So I'll give you 5 seconds, or if it's less than you can pause the video and then solve it. So your time starts now. Time's up. I hope you got the answer. So I will write the answer on the board. Answer is women are changing the world. The world by breaking old limits. So proving their abilities. In every field. So this is the first sentence. Now the second sentence. Their strength and abilities. I mean not abilities and leaderships. Should bring hope. For a better tomorrow. So this is the answer for this question. Why women change the world? And the answer is women are changing the world by breaking all limits, proving their abilities in every field. Their strength and leadership brings hope for a better tomorrow. So now I hope you understood. If not, then I will explain it. What is it saying in the first sentence? It is saying women are changing the world by breaking all limits, proving their abilities in every field. So in this sentence, they are trying to tell us how women are changing the world. What they are doing to change the world? What they are doing? Actually, they are showing their abilities, how they are working in every field, and telling us. Means, see, if we fail an exam, what will we do? What we do right now, we'll practice. But in some cases, if somebody fails exam 2-3 times, what will they do? They will just give up. So women are teaching. Women, what they do means they are trying to teach us not to give up. Always work hard, and you will reach your destination. Then second, their strength and leadership brings a better tomorrow. So now this line is very clear to everybody. Their strength means our strength. And leadership can bring a very better tomorrow, right? It brings a better tomorrow. Now let's continue reading. We are on 51 page number now. So let's continue on with the reading work. Now we'll read the point fear opportunities and regret expectations. So here I've written also. Now we are going to start it. A lot of children in Roshni ma'am's class drew women as nurses and men as army officers. Now, as this is the same story, we are continuing of a class teacher called Roshni ma'am. Roshni ma'am students, mostly the girls, some class drew women's as nurses. As so the girls women's means, right? As nurses, and men's as army officers, pilots, and many more. But army officers right now we're considering. So when the reason they did this is because they feel that outside the home too, women are good at only certain jobs. Now the reason why they are doing this, why they are joining women as nurses, not as army officers. Right now, currently, women can also be army officers, and men can also be nurses. Yes, it is true. But in hospitals we see very few. But if you go somewhere branded or means, I have seen a nurse as a man. Not me actually, my friend has seen it. Alright, so where was I? The reason why they drew this because they felt that outside the house also, inside the house, women are only good at certain jobs. Certain jobs like what they have to do. What their particular job is. Like if we say their particular job before was just taking care of kids and washing dishes, cooking food, and going to school, and means for girls going to school and coming back and doing household or working in farms also. For example, many people believe that women make better nurses because they are more gentle. No wait, I will explain this first. Because they are more pantries and gentle. Why people considered women as nurses? Because they are more pantries and gentle. That's the reason why women and girls were considered, means were told to grow up and become into a nurse. What they have to, what their certain job is, or they are now in old past. What the women had after completing school? They would get married. That was their only job. Getting married was kind of like what they are born for. It was considered like this. But right now, after school, we have to go to college, then graduate, then get a job, and then continue the future. So now let's continue. I think yes. This is linked to women's roles within the family. This is linked to a woman's role within the family. This line is simple and makes a lot of sense. In old days, not now. Similarly, it is believed that science requires a technological mind, and girls and women are not capable for dealing with technological things. So, what in science? What is considered that women have kind of like a business trying to say that women are not capable of becoming a scientist. Only men, because first, if you want to become a scientist, what you need a kind of like a mind which is a technological mind. So women don't have that. It was considered like that. So that's why women could not be. Only men. Now we see also same, but there are very less few scientists. But now there are lots of women scientists also. Not only men. There are so many women and men. So we can say they're all equal amount. They're all equal. Because now second paragraph. Because so many women believe in these stereotypes. Many girls do not get the same support that boys do to get to study and train to become doctors and engineers. In most families, once girl finishes school, they are enrolled by their families to seek marriage for their main aim in life. Now, what this is explaining a stereotype. We want to learn stereotype also. It's stereotype. Stereotypes, I think. Means is that only. My pronunciation. So what is explained in this paragraph? It is that stereotype. It is like what is stereotype actually? We can say in some societies there are some kind of like rules. Before there were also rules, but they were same for everyone. Even though they could hurt others' feeling, they could make others feel sad, could not get others to get to their goals, their aims. Like example, there are many examples. So, for example, women can't play football. Is it true? No, right? Women can play cricket, football, basketball nowadays. So, obviously, they can play football also. And boys can't cry. It's not that. Boys can also cry. We are humans, so humans also cry. So, same. Everyone can cry. Boys, girls, women, men, anyone can cry. So, stereotype is kind of like a rule. What is it? It's a rule which is made for everyone in the society. Even though it hurts our feelings, it's not same for everyone. We all are different. We all have different nails, hairs, face, skin tone, and everything different, obviously. We all are different humans. We are not same to have same goals. So stereotypes, that's the meaning of stereotype. And in most families, once girl finishes school, they are enrolled by the family to see marriage as their main aim in life. So I told you before, the main aim or the main goal of a woman is to get married. It is considered that in the family after completing school, but not anymore for school and college and job and now here there is a story. There is a story of a breaking stereotype. So now we are going to go on the story of Lakshmi Lakre. As in the introduction that I wrote, story of Lakshmi Lakre. So who is she? She's from the poor tribal family, which belongs from Jharkhand, and she is we can say the first woman as an engineer driver. And at the age of 27, there was this law. Okay, now let's read it. Breaking stereotypes. I also know the meaning. Engineer drivers are men, but 27 years old Lakshmi Lakre from a poor tribal family in Jharkhand has begun to change things. She is the first woman engineer driver from Northern Railways. So, introduction of her, she is from the poor tribal family in Jharkhand. At the age of 27, she became an engineer driver, and she's the first woman. She's the first woman engineer driver, and she's from Northern Railways. Okay. Now, Lakshmi's parents are not literate, but they struggled and overcame many hardships to make sure their child gets education. So what they're saying, the Lakshmi's parents struggled a lot to overcome they also overcame many hardships. To just for what? They wanted to see their daughter as someone important. So they struggled a lot. Now, Lakshmi studied in a government school. Even in school, Lakshmi helped with the housework and did odd jobs. So even in the school, what she did after the studies was, she would do the household and odd jobs. She studied hard and did well, and then went to get a diploma in electricians. So she did very well, passed it also, and then after some time, after a little bit time, you can say, she went to get a diploma. It's kind of, I am not sure what diploma is, in an electrician. She then took the railway board exam and passed it on her first attempt. So now, if you want to become an engineer, it's an engine driver. So if you want to become an engine driver, you have to also give an exam. You can't just become this for free. So she had an exam, she gave it, and on her first attempt only, she passed. Like, there are many attempts, but on her first attempt only, she passed and became. Lakshmi says, I love challenge. And the moment somebody says it, it's not for girls, I make sure I go ahead and do it. Lakshmi has had to do this several times in her life. When she wanted to take electricity, where she rode motorcycles as a polo teachers, and when she decided to become an engine driver. So what Lakshmi tried to express away. So till here it's clear. Now when we were reading this other paragraphs, means we have written this sentence of this paragraph. Now let's continue on reading with that. It is important to understand that we live in a society in which our children face pressures from the world around them. Sometimes these come in the form of demands from adults. So what is that saying? It's important for us to all understand that we are living in a society in which all children face pressure. Now, we all students face many pressures like household pressures, study pressure, and many other more pressures, especially studies from the world around them. So we face many problems from the world around us. Everywhere we go, we will have a problem and also a solution for it. Okay. Now, sometimes these come in the form of demand from others. Till here, okay now. Now, at other time, they can just be because of unfair teasing by our own friends. So sometimes we get this from our own friends. And we know if you have a best friend, now okay, you fight with him, you stay with him, you pamper him a lot. But sometimes those kind of like problems, the pressure, can come from our own friend. We are means right now in this age, friends are pampering other friends so much that they also have the confidence from means they also the friends have confidence touching others' bag, touching others' belongings without permission. It is mostly found in middle school, even insulting others. Friends insult friends, then become friends again. Alright, boys are pressurized to think about getting a job that will pay a good salary. So what does means boys are getting pressurized also. What are they getting for? Means for after study you have to get a good job where you get a good amount of salary. You can't just get like 1,000. More than that, it should be enough to run your family. It must be enough to make a good career in your life. So they are also getting pressurized. They are also treated and bullied. They are also teased and bullied if they do not behave like other boys. So now these boys who don't behave like other boys now, what others do with them? They tease them and bully them. Okay, now bullying and teasing, everybody does. Everybody knows that. In schools also it's common. If anyone is not behaving like other boys, obviously he will be teased or he will be bullied. It is true, you know. You may remember that in class 6th book, you read about how boys at an early age are recommended not to cry in front of others. So, as we have in class 6th book of our political science, political science, what are boys recommended? Not to cry. Means not to cry in front of others, not to cry alone, also not to cry at all. That's the rule for them. So, they are also pressurized not to cry. But a boy, we only see that girls only are the persons who cry. You know, we are humans, so we all have feelings, obviously, right? Now here, you can see kind of like a dialogues between kids, parents. It's only one page, so you can do this with your friends or your families also. Now,